Good morning. Today's Saturday and I've had breakfast. Fed Anya and she's pulling me down to the greenbelt area. She says, I want to go. Hope to get a bunch of things done today. Make some decisions on sorting and get some logistical things sorted out with getting our stuff back to Alaska. You guys have a good day and follow along. What time is it? It's coffee time.
How are they are for you?
Yes, I'd like a large black coffee.
Anything else?
That's it.
Next one up, please.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, large coffee.
Thank you very much. I've got another full load loaded up. I'm ready to hook up to it and take it out. How's it going, guys?
Good, how are you?
Real good. All right, I got a pile of stuff in here.
Okay.
And some of it's going to go to you guys.
Okay.
And some of it's going to go to the Salvation Army.
All right.
But I'm making one trip out of the house. So. Oh yeah.
Yeah, Alaska. They got snow early in the
It all came from Alaska. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, I got curtains, bedding, some tables, end tables, dressers, silverware. Anyway, like I said, whatever you guys don't take is going to go to the Salvation Army. I know that some of the stuff you guys don't take anyway, but I'm just making one trip here. So,
curtains we don't take.
and yeah, if you guys just want to set them off to the side, we'll throw them back in there.
Definitely.
Today was a great day. We're done sorting out the garage. We've made decisions on everything that was in the garage. Some of the stuff went to Salvation Army, some of the stuff went to bridging, and some of the stuff went to the Goodwill. I felt sorry for the lady at the Goodwill and I didn't film it, but I unloaded the truck really fast, put it in the blue bin. I was overwhelming her, but I was getting everything out of the truck. There was a line behind me and they took everything that I gave them. So we've got a lot of the stuff that was going to be donated out of here. Now only a couple things we still need to make some decisions on, and then it's just packing into whatever we're going to use to get it back to Alaska. So stay tuned. It's not over yet. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.